this thing that I've said to people has become this crazy internet meme, clean up your room. And so practicing that it's a real useful form of meditation. And every time you walk in there, your room will remind you to behave as a civilized being, but as someone who's tough and reliable and all of that. And that's what your room should tell you.
Clean up your room. You start small. It's not small. You think it's small. It's not small.
Hello. If you want to awaken all of humanity, then awaken all of yourself. If you want to eliminate the suffering in the world, then eliminate all that is dark and negative in yourself. Truly, the greatest gift you have to give is that of your own self-transformation. Lao Tzu. The concerns we possess for the issues haunting our present experience are normal. After all, our innovations have given us a direct link to everything occurring straight to the palm of our hands. But what really happens when your mind is consistently plagued by all that is occurring? In truth, you fall to a victim narrative. A mind burdened with so much helpless despair that a focus cannot be formed. This innately has us parroting the pain we feel, hoping an authority will rescue us, not even from the world, but from our own mind. After all, that is where your desire stems. You want to save the world because you want to mitigate the pain you feel when you see the world in agony. But the irony is, this paradigm exists to propagate suffering, thus innately. By having your mind plagued in suffering, you too have become part of the very problem you wish to change. We all wish to change. It is a testament to human altruism, but the unfortunate outcome is that we too stepped into the very bucket we were trying to empty. This is why you must take care of yourself first. The conflict prevailing throughout the human condition, throughout this universe in its entirety, under its wrath, it is our duty to first take care of ourselves, get ourselves in order, and then the rest falls into place. Muhammad Ali. I just wanted to be free. A lot of people think Ali was an activist. No. All he said, all he accomplished, all he did, it was all for himself. He worked on himself every day until he became greatness, and through his selfish desire to go and do whatever he wanted, that selfishness helped many other people do the same. His desire to be free and the hard work he put in every day to change into the person who could have that freedom innately opened the door for many other people. To put the world in order, we must first put the nation in order. To put the nation in order, we must first put the family in order. To put the family in order, we must first cultivate our personal life. We must first set our hearts right. Confucius. As you can tell, there's no way Confucius's eyebrows really look like that. Also, it's not for us to believe that we can change the world, that we can change the nation, or that we can even change our families. We must first start with our heart, our mind. We are the world. The world is an illusion painted in our very minds through the stimuli we experience. It is a manifestation of our consciousness quite literally. Thus, innately, much of reality is our perception, our attitude, our reactions, filtered through the unique lens that is our mind. When we change this, everything starts to look different. And by virtue, you become a lens others may view through. But beyond that, under the wrath of our universe, this paradigm functioning to propagate pain, if you can find meaning, content, gratitude under its weight, you have pulled yourself out of the very bucket that was haunting you. You have ceased to become part of the problem. From here, if you can inspire others to do the same by virtue of simply being yourself, what will happen to the rest of the bucket? If you want to awaken all of humanity, then awaken all of yourself. If you want to eliminate the suffering in the world, then eliminate all that is dark and negative in yourself. Truly, the greatest gift you have to give is that of your own self-transformation. This may seem so small at first glance, but when you understand this, you understand it is a power far beyond the world. It stretches throughout the universe itself. If you like more from me, please subscribe. That's definitely great for the channel. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma. And until next time, peace.
You start small. It's not small. You think it's small. It's not small.